Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into all things health and safety. With Halloween right around the corner, it's time to talk about something we often overlook during the spooky season: health hazards. From food poisoning to injuries, Halloween can be fun, but also dangerous if we're not careful. So in today's video, we'll cover the top 5 Halloween health risks and, more importantly, how to prevent them. Let's jump right in. Food poisoning. First up, let's talk about food poisoning. During Halloween, we're surrounded by tons of treats and party snacks, but not all of them are safe. Candy that's been left out too long or homemade treats that aren't stored properly can cause food poisoning. Symptoms like nausea, vomiting, and stomach cramps can quickly ruin your Halloween night. Prevention tips: always check the expiration dates on candy and snacks. Avoid homemade treats if you're unsure of the ingredients or how they've been prepared. If you're hosting a party, keep perishable food refrigerated and throw away anything left out for more than 2 hours. Allergies. Number 2 on our list: allergies. With so many different types of candies, it's easy to accidentally eat something that could trigger an allergic reaction. The most common culprits are nuts, dairy, and gluten. Prevention tips: if you or your kids have food allergies, make sure to read the ingredient labels on all the candies before eating them. Consider giving out allergy-friendly treats that are free from common allergens, like nuts or dairy. For those attending parties, it's always a good idea to ask about ingredients or stick to foods you know are safe. Injuries and burns. Next up, injuries and burns. Carving pumpkins and lighting candles for decorations might seem harmless, but they're major sources of injuries during Halloween. Cuts from carving tools and burns from candles or fireworks are far too common. Prevention tips: use safe pumpkin carving tools instead of kitchen knives, and always supervise children. Opt for battery-powered candles instead of real flames to light your jack-o'-lanterns. Make sure costumes, especially those for kids, are flame-resistant and avoid long, dragging fabrics that could catch fire. Viral infections, cold and flu. Halloween parties and trick-or-treating bring large groups of people together, which increases the chances of catching a cold or the flu, especially since Halloween falls right in the middle of flu season. Prevention tips: wash your hands regularly and carry hand sanitizer with you. Try to avoid close contact with anyone showing symptoms of illness. If you're feeling under the weather, it's better to skip the party and rest instead. Alcohol poisoning for adults. Finally, we can't forget the adults. Halloween parties often involve alcohol, and it's easy to get carried away with spooky cocktails. But excessive drinking can lead to alcohol poisoning, which is extremely dangerous. Prevention tips: pace yourself when drinking and make sure to eat before consuming alcohol. Keep an eye on your friends and never leave your drink unattended. If you notice signs of alcohol poisoning in someone, like confusion, vomiting, or seizures, seek medical attention immediately. So, those are the top 5 health risks you might face during Halloween. But don't worry, by following these simple tips, you can enjoy the holiday safely. Whether you're trick-or-treating, ending a party, or just staying in, a little bit of caution goes a long way in making sure your night is full of fun, not fear. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more health tips. Stay safe, stay healthy, and have a spooktacular Halloween. See you next time.